In this video, you will learn how to make money with Google Translate. Making money with Google Translate primarily involves using a tool to enhance your language, services and product. If you're a freelance translator or content creator, you can use Google Translate to assist in your translating of documents, websites or media for clients. While Google Translate is not perfect, it can be a helpful starting point, but for professional translating work, it allows you to save time and enhance your word flow. You can also offer translation services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, through your own website. Leverage the tool to assist in multi-languages. Additionally, if you're skilled in a particular language, you can create an online language course or write a language learning content using Google Translate for accurate checks and offering it for a paid service or resource. Another way is to monetize a language blog or YouTube channel. Focus on language learning or translations, where Google Translate can help you provide translation examples. You can earn money from platforms through advertising or affiliate marketing by promoting language learning tools, books or courses, or by providing value. Using Google Translate as a supplementary tool can create a revenue stream through various language related services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.